Hello everyone, I am Dr. Mavia, and today I want to talk about something that affects every single one of us as we get older, keeping our legs strong, steady, and reliable, especially after the age of 70. You see, our legs are more than just muscles that help us walk. They are the very foundation of independence. Strong legs mean freedom. They mean balance, mobility, and the ability to live life on your own terms without relying too heavily on others. But here's the truth, after age 60, most people lose around 1% of their muscle strength every year, and for many seniors, this happens much faster because they aren't doing the right kind of movement. That's why today, I'm sharing with you 7 simple, doctor-approved exercises that can rebuild strength, improve circulation, sharpen balance, and protect you from falls. And the best part? These exercises require no fancy equipment, they're safe for almost everyone, and they take just a few minutes a day. So let's walk through each move together. I'll explain what it does, why it works, and how to perform it safely at home. Why leg strength matters more than ever. Before we begin with the exercises, let's talk about why strong legs are the #1 key to staying healthy and independent after 70. First, fall prevention. Did you know falls are the leading cause of injury among seniors in the United States? Strong legs act like shock absorbers, protecting your hips, knees, and spine. Second, circulation. When your leg muscles contract, they pump blood back to the heart. Weak legs can mean poor circulation, swelling, and even higher risks for blood clots. Third, daily function. Think about standing up from a chair, climbing stairs, or even stepping into the shower. All of this requires leg strength. And finally, longevity. Research shows seniors with stronger legs live longer, healthier lives because mobility keeps the rest of the body and brain sharp. So, leg strength isn't about fitness. It's about life itself. The 7 key moves. Now, let's move into the 7 powerful exercises you can start doing today. Each one has been chosen for safety, effectiveness, and practicality. Chair squats. Why it works: builds thigh and hip strength, improves balance when standing. How to do it. Sit down in a sturdy chair. Cross your arms over your chest or keep them out in front for balance. Stand up slowly without using your hands, then sit back down gently. Doctor tip: start with 5 to 10 reps, once or twice a day. If it feels hard, use the arms of the chair for assistance. Heel raises, calf strengthener. Why it works: strengthens calves, improves blood circulation, and helps with walking endurance. How to do it. Stand behind a chair, holding it lightly for balance. Slowly rise up on your toes, lifting your heels off the ground. Hold for 2 seconds, then lower gently. Doctor tip: aim for 10 to 15 reps, if balance is difficult, keep both hands on the chair. Seated leg extensions. Why it works: strengthens quadriceps, which protect your knees and make walking safer. How to do it. Sit in a chair with your back straight. Slowly lift one leg, extending it fully until your knee is straight. Hold for 2 to 3 seconds, then lower. Doctor tip: try 8 to 10 reps per leg. Add a light ankle weight if it becomes too easy. Step UPS. Why it works: builds hip and thigh strength, improves coordination. How to do it. Stand in front of a sturdy step or low platform. Step up with your right foot, then bring the left foot up. Step back down 1 foot at a time. Doctor tip: keep movements slow and controlled. Always use a railing or sturdy surface for balance. Side leg raises. Why it works: strengthens hips and outer thighs, crucial for balance and preventing falls. How to do it. Stand next to a chair, holding it lightly. Slowly lift one leg out to the side, keeping your knee straight. Lower gently and repeat. Doctor tip: 10 to 12 reps per side. Don't swing. Move with control. 6. Marching in place. Why it works: improves coordination, strengthens hip flexors, and keeps circulation active. How to do it? Stand tall, holding a chair if needed. Lift one knee toward your chest, then lower it. Alternate legs in a marching motion. Doctor tip: start with 30 to 60 seconds, gradually working up to 2 to 3 minutes. 7. Ankle circles and flexes. Why it works: keeps ankles flexible, prevents stiffness, and supports balance. How to do it? Sit comfortably in a chair. Lift one foot and gently rotate the ankle in circles, clockwise then counterclockwise. Next, point your toes forward and then flex them back toward you. Doctor tip: do 10 to 15 circles in each direction per foot, plus 10 flexes. Safety first. Before you start, remember: always have a sturdy chair or wall nearby for balance. Wear supportive shoes, not slippers. Move slowly, never rush. If you feel pain, not just mild muscle effort, but sharp pain, stop immediately. And most importantly, check with your doctor if you have medical conditions like heart disease, arthritis, or balance disorders before beginning any new routine. The role of nutrition. Exercise is just one piece of the puzzle. Your muscles also need proper fuel. Protein: aim for lean sources like chicken, fish, beans, or eggs to support muscle repair. Vitamin D and calcium: for strong bones, consider fortified dairy, leafy greens, or a supplement if recommended. Hydration: seniors often underestimate water needs, dehydration leads to cramps and fatigue. A balanced diet keeps your body ready to respond to these exercises. Putting it all together. Here's how you can structure a simple routine. 3 times per week. Perform each of the 7 moves in order. Rest as needed between exercises. Total time: about 15 to 20 minutes. That's it. No gym memberships, no fancy machines, just your body, a chair, and a little consistency. So, there you have it, 7 powerful exercises that can help you maintain strong, reliable legs well into your 70s and beyond. Remember, it's never too late to begin. Whether you're already active or just starting out, these movements can be adjusted to your level. Stronger legs don't just mean walking better, they mean living better. They mean independence, safety, and the ability to enjoy life fully, without fear of losing your balance or mobility. So my advice as a doctor: start today. Even a few minutes can make a difference. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in the next session where we'll continue exploring ways to keep you healthy, active, and thriving.